The next task is to visualize how my investments in each of the 4 companies grow over time. So in order to do this analysis, I need to have complete stock information for each of the 4 companies in my data sample. The first day when Facebook became public is May 18, 2012. So I start my new horizon on this day. And then I'm just going to go ahead and use VLOOKUP to look up what is the individual daily return for each of the 4 companies. And to compute cumulative daily returns, I need to compound based on the previous day's return. So, and then minus 1. So for Facebook, for example, the first days of cumulative daily return is set equal to the daily return of their company on the first day. And then the second day's cumulative daily return is the compounded return based on the previous day's return. So I use 1 plus the previous day's return multiplied by 1 plus today's return, and then minus 1. Okay, so if you copy over this formula and then copy down, you have the cumulative daily return data for all 4 companies together with S&P's index return. So I'm going to use S&P as a benchmark return to compare with the 4 companies' stock return over this time horizon. Okay, so once you completed all those numbers for cumulative daily returns, then you can simply do a line plot on those cumulative daily returns to visualize how these returns have grown over time. Okay, so you can see the line plot in the last tab. So based on this line plot, I see that Netflix is obviously the star performer during this time horizon between 2012 and 2008. And then, so retrospectively, if I have opportunity to invest in any of those stocks, I would definitely invest in Netflix. And then the next runner up looks like this blue line here. That belongs to Facebook. And then the yellow line is Google. And then this light blue is S&P, and then Apple's return is lying at the bottom. So based on this, I can see that Apple, my investment in Apple has not been growing as much as comparing to the other members of the FAN stocks. Apple's returns are on par with the broad market index return during this time horizon. So you recreate this graph, and that will be your main deliverable for this exercise.